Mark here, and welcome to the new Brewdog L&D Hub. So for this, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a tour of our retail hub. Okay, we've got the PLC hub, franchise hub, and central hub coming soon, but just for today, we're going to take a look at the retail hub. So when you go into it, what you're going to see here is a whole load of different tiles. So we have a section for our guide dogs, which includes Twilight Bark recordings, development session recordings. You've also got a shortcut here to training sessions. We've also got induction tools, which I'll talk about a little bit in the future. So we've got some more stuff coming over the hill with that. We have a quick link to training sessions. So this is a library of all the training sessions that we currently run with all the resources like the PowerPoint slide decks, the tutor notes and workbooks. Then we have the link to the Guide Dog TV. So this will just take you straight to the current Guide Dog TV that we have. We will be looking at updating this shortly with a new format. Brand standards, again, one that's going to be coming soon, but what this is going to entail is everything that we expect from a consistent point of view when it comes to our brand standards within the bars. HGEM, so massive focus on this at the minute with the launch of the Customer Champion Initiative. So we've got links to the dashboard. There's an example questionnaire there. We also have what we got call a training matrix. So this will essentially have all the questions on the new survey that launched at the beginning of April. And if any bar is struggling with any particular question, you've got a link to all of the training resources that go alongside that. Okay, so again, this is something that will grow over time. So just a bit of a start for 10 for the support of the new survey. Also, you can click here to look at this month's leaderboard. So this will just give you a bit of a breakdown of where everyone is currently at in regards to their HGEM mystery customer scores. Okay, we've also got documents. So documents is a whole library of everything that we have going on behind the scenes within the hub. So again, brand standards, compliance, crew review reports, got things for franchise, guide dogs, job descriptions, management development, everything for you just to have a look around. So it's just like a bit of a one-stop shop for all the resources that we currently have. CPL or campus as some people call it. This is going to be a site which is going to have a lot of FAQs about the site. There'll be screencasts a bit like this one of how to do things, any updates, new courses and troubleshooting that you might have. Courses, so this will be where you'll be able to book on and register interest for fire marshal training, first aid courses, license courses and anything else that we've got going on. And then as we go on towards the bottom, we've got food. So food will at the moment take you directly to the Chef Spec website that all of our kitchen teams currently use. And then we have drinks. So drinks is quite a meaty page here, okay? So we've got beer resources, cocktail resources, spirits, coffee, wine, and this will range from training sessions to videos to spec sheets. If we go into beer, for example, you'll see things like the Beer Bible, beer school resources, Project Beer Geek, beer history, beer styles, all the different resources that we have going on there. If there's anybody that maybe wants to run a beer school or anyone looking for information on how to run a beer school, you can just click on this one here and it's got resources here. So you've got PowerPoints, PDFs, handbooks on how to run them. Also got videos. Okay, so we've got Beer School 101 part 1 and 2. We've also got some tasting tips and some videos there of some of our key lines. Project Beer Geek, again, will take you straight to the presentation and all the information around Project Beer Geek. CBS, any of the crew wanting to undertake the CBS exam, click on there. It's got everything. Again, recordings, so when we've done crash courses and seminars in the past, again, resources here. We've got flashcards, we've got the workbook, and we've got PDFs and PowerPoints of crash courses there too. Next up then, Cicerone. So a bit like the CBS page, but here if you wanted to go that one step further and look at certified and advanced, you've got all the resources and videos and mock tests to go along with that as well. Draft board, so a little bit around best practice and some pictures there of how the draft board should look and everything around cellar and draft systems. So we've got loads of stuff for troubleshooting, best practice and anything you need to know around your cellars. And then finally, just general resources around beer. So again, a document library of everything from draft systems to perfect serves, systems, okay, training sessions, drinks. So you've got it broken down by beer, cider, cocktails. So if you go into beer, you've got your beer schools and everything that we've touched upon already. So again, just some more links there to all the resources that we've got. Okay, so that's about it for now. So just for the launch, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an overview about everything that we've got and some of the things that are coming. So hopefully you'll find this really useful and everything that you could possibly need. Any questions, drop the retail training guys a email or feel free to get in touch with me directly. Okay, thanks for listening.